Hey guys, welcome back to Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we'll cover counter method. Let's get started. Counter is a method that is within collection module. It returns the occurrence of the element. Students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. So in order to import counter method, we need to use collection module. So I'm gonna say from collections import counter. Now I'm gonna create a string. Let's say s equal to string a b b b c c d d d a. If I call the counter function and pass s as a parameter, it will return counter of a b c d in the string s. Now let's go ahead and see how counter works along with the list. So I'm gonna say list L equal to 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 2 2. If I call the counter function and pass L as a parameter, it will return the occurrence of 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's go ahead and see how counter works with the tuple. So I'm gonna say tuple t equal to 1 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 3. If I call the counter function and pass t as a parameter, it will return the occurrence of 1 2 3 in the tuple t. That's all about counters. See you in the next lecture. Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को. Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे regular expression. Till then, practice and thank you for watching.